I have this little voltage tester. I'm going to show you guys what it's all about and whether or not this is worth it. So there's the brand right there. I'm not even going to bother trying to say the name. And I'm going to test a little circuit as well as show you what we have. So here's a little user manual. Don't test greater than 1,000 volts, no problem. Use caution with voltages above 30 volt AC as they are possible shock hazard. Well, yeah, thanks guys. Indoors, protected from water, so generally it's not a heavy duty tool here. Low sensitivity mode detects 70 to 1,000 volts. High sensitivity, 12 to 1,000 volts. So you can get down to 12 volt. We did get a couple of AAA batteries in there. That's always nice to have. You don't have to think about that. And here's our tester. Feeling pretty good. There's a little screen cover there. And we just screw off the back. And yeah, if you get water around this, I do think it's going to break down pretty quick. So I'm going to put the batteries in this way. I think they go. Yeah, they're looking that way. Yeah, so it's nice they put that little diagram on there. And we got to hold that. There you go. Little light up, which is nice. Tells you this is online. We can see the sensitivity. So I can hit that. And now I have the sensitivity. It is telling me, just even getting close to my camera, that it's sensing something. So that's interesting. Now let's test our little circuit here. Nothing there. And that's correct. So let's turn this on. Okay, make sure the switch is working. There we go. And it is correctly giving us that. Okay, this should be 120. So we should be able to sense that. Let's give some power down. There we go. So there you go. That's a pretty good demonstration. I really like the tester itself. It's going to last for a long time as long as you're turning it on and off. I like the little screen. I like everything about this. It's a good feel. And I got a little clip there for it. And the batteries can come in and out. And everything's very clear on it. So this is a good one. And it seems to work great.